think the benefits of installing a stair runner is, first of all, the safety. 95% of the time, a customer will put carpet on their stairs to minimize falling or slips with animals and children. For the most part, any rug can be turned into a stair runner. We use a lot of different materials that really enhance the stairs themselves and can add value to the home.
I began my installation career back when I was 19. Many installers are not qualified. They just don't have the years under them. I have 25 years of installation experience. That helps on your job because as I come to your home with a different variety of carpets that are installed, it requires someone who knows what they're doing.
We deal with a lot of different styles of staircases, whether it's an L shape or U shape, curved flight of steps, pie steps, open wrap. Yeah, we can make it happen.
Clint Sampson and myself, we're both master installers. There's only a handful of registered installers across the nation. So to have two at the Rug Gallery here in Cincinnati, that's a privilege both for us to be able to work for the Rug Gallery as well as for the Rug Gallery to be able to provide expert services of installation to your home.
We have a lot of good people there at the Rug Gallery in Cincinnati that can help you to pick out a quality piece of carpet that would actually enhance your home and your staircase.
If you'd like to learn more about rugs, carpet installation, please visit us at the location in Blue Ash at 9350 Kenwood Road, or visit us at theruggallery.com.